In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore missing menu bar and toolbars in AutoCAD. If your menu bar or toolbars have disappeared, don't worry. This usually happens when a workspace changes or a setting gets toggled. We'll walk through 3 reliable ways to bring everything back, starting with the quickest fix and moving to precise controls. First, check your workspace. Look down at the status bar along the bottom of the AutoCAD window and find the gear icon, often labeled Workspace Switching. Click it and choose AutoCAD Classic. This workspace is designed to show traditional toolbars and pull-down menus, so switching to it often restores what you're missing instantly. If you don't see AutoCAD Classic in your version, that's okay. Some releases don't include it by default. In that case, the next methods will do the job just as well. Switching workspaces won't affect your drawing, it only changes the interface arrangement. Next, let's explicitly turn on the menu bar. In the command line, type menu bar, then press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 1 and press enter again. A value of 1 turns the menu bar on, revealing the classic File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Draw, Dimension, and Help menus across the top. If you ever need to hide it again, set menu bar back to 0. This setting is especially handy in newer ribbon-focused versions where the menu bar may be off by default. Enabling it doesn't conflict with the ribbon. It simply gives you another way to access commands you might be used to. Finally, you can show specific toolbars manually. In the command line, type toolbar and press enter. AutoCAD will ask which toolbar you want. Type the name. Common choices are standard, draw, or modify, then press enter. When asked for an option, choose show. The toolbar will appear as a floating palette that you can drag and dock to the top, sides, or bottom of the screen. For example, the standard toolbar includes familiar buttons like new, open, save, and plot, while the draw toolbar provides quick access to line, circle, arc, and more. Repeat the toolbar command for any others you want to display, and close ones you don't need by clicking the X on the toolbar. To recap, switch to AutoCAD Classic if it's available, turn on the menu bar with menu bar set to 1, and reveal individual toolbars using the toolbar command. With these steps, you'll restore a familiar, efficient workspace and get back to drafting with confidence.